Hi guys, I'm going to look at a Playmobil Advent calendar. So let's start. And I'm going to look at the 20. So let's get it. And it's a little boy with a brush and a pisk in Swedish. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!